Welcome to my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. For black chickpea guntalu or ball or pungulu, what I do is I take this black chickpea and soak it overnight in water. You can take 1 cup or however it is, whichever quantity you want to make it. So usually what I do, I wash it nicely and soak it overnight. So this is how it looks. Nice, good for protein and iron. So like for kids I try to mix it in guntalu or something like that, so that it will be interesting for them and they can eat. So what I will do is I just soaked it in water, and we are taking today like onions, carrots. This is two big carrot. I shredded it nicely, and this onion, one big onion, jalapeno, one or two, whichever, like it's optional. If you want to skip, you can skip it. Like if you add also, it's good. Like for Satvika doesn't say anything, like she likes it, so it's not that chili or something, so you can add it. Take out like I remove all the seeds from that, and then I cut it nicely. And kale, if you want, you can skip it or use mint and coriander, but then I wanted to use kale, so I'm using it here. So it's like optional. You can, if you want, you can skip it. So but these two are like onions, carrot and chickpea. And my dosa batter, usually I do with the dosa batter. So for the dosa batter, what I do is I took 2 cup of brown rice and 1 cup of urad dal, 1 tablespoon full methi seeds. I soaked it overnight, and then next day I grind it nicely and let it ferment for 4 to 6 hours, and then we can use it. So we'll just mix it. I'll show how it is. So this is my dosa batter. This is the consistency. Like sometimes Satvika is bored with dosha and all, so I try to do like this. So we'll add our jalapenos. So mix it in the separate bowl. If at all like if they don't like, that's okay then. So I try to mix it in separate bowl. Our kale and chana or chickpea, black chickpea. Mix it nicely. Add the salt. Salt is already there in the batter. So for this only we need to add and mix it nicely. I'll mix it and show you. Add onion as well. So onions as well. It's very tasty. You can do like this as well. I'll mix it and show you. So after mixing, this is how it looks. So my skillet is ready. We'll add little olive oil. You can use any oil you want. Very tasty, like kids will like it. Rich in proteins, iron. So we can use it like this as well. So medium flame, and 1 spoonful like that. So no need to like no overfilling. So 5 to 10 minutes it will be ready. Like we'll cook like for 5 minutes, and then we'll flip it. So 5 to 10 minutes it will be ready. It's very tasty. And that will be finished, and we'll let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we'll flip it. So it is 5 minutes. We'll check it, and then we'll flip it. So yeah, so that's good. So we'll cook another 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then it will be done. So we'll just flip it and cook it another 2 to 3 minutes. So it is 3 minutes, so we'll just check how it is going on. Yeah, that is good. We can take it out now. So this is very nice. Yeah, done. So we can take it out. This is how I do my chickpea, black chickpea guntalu or pongadalu or punugulu or ball. Like kids will also enjoy it. Very nice. We have protein. It's good. Kala chana is good for proteins, iron and fiber. Like it's good for pregnant ladies as well. Like you can ask your doctor and go with it. Like this way also we can eat. So please do comment and subscribe my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. Thank you.